to see what is revolve, boss and base. This geometry we taken from our last tutorial. We created this type of geometry from circle, rectangle and slot. The same drawing we are taking here, and we will see what is exactly revolve, boss and base. So just select your sketch and go to revolve, boss or base. Now the window open, revolve, boss and base. Now here it is asking axis of revolution. In which axis you want to revolve? X axis, Y axis, you have two axis, or this Z axis. So first select any one axis. Today we will see this axis first. We just click and see the body going to revolve. It is showing how it will be revolved. Select OK. So see, your body is revolved. Now just edit. If you want to make little more less angle, so you can do it. Let's say 300, 310, 309. See, this angle cut, this 309 degree, only this much angle it is cut. Again you can do some editing, and this one, see, this selected counter is same as like extrude boss and extrude cut. You can select those body you want. If you want only one body, click OK. See, it is only one body revolved. Just edit feature and make 360 degrees. See, this is only one body we revolved. But we want to, if you want full body, you can select here all the bodies. See, now it comes all the bodies. Select OK. So see, it is revolved all the bodies. So this is very important and easy tool. Let's see one more feature. Just delete this body. Now we have this open drawing. Now again select sketch, choose revolve, boss, base. Select this axis. See, it is rotating like this. Here also the same thing. If you want to make reduce the things, it's up to you. You can make angle, and there is one thin feature. See, thin feature, there is an inner out option. If we will choose out option, then this center part also will come, but inner maybe it will not accept this, maybe due to some geometrical condition. Select OK. See, our geometry is created, hollow geometry and thin geometry. So this is the easiest way, or this is the revolve, boss, base. Choose 360 degree and choose unthin. Select 0 thickness. Or if you want to select few bodies only, just select this body or this body. OK. So see, it is only two body revolved, boss and base. I hope you enjoyed this.